How to sign up on Binance, KYC, terminology, types of trades, what is USDT, what is P2P, what is staking, etc. Signing up on Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, is a straightforward process that opens the door to a wide range of trading opportunities. This video will guide you through the essential steps of creating an account on Binance, completing the KYC or Know Your Customer verification, and familiarizing yourself with some of the platform's features. But before we dive in, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. To begin the sign-up process, head over to Binance.com. Once you input the URL and the page opens, click on the Sign Up button, which will take you to the registration page, where you can sign up with your email address or your mobile phone. Now, when opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is to go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you will get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. Once you're done with the referral code, type in your email address or mobile number. Make sure it is an email you frequently use and that it is secure. Next, choose a strong, unique password by mixing numbers, symbols, and both upper and lowercase letters to keep your account protected. Before hitting Create Account, don't forget to check the Terms and Conditions box. This confirms that you understand and agree to Binance's rules. Once that's done, click Create Account. You'll receive an email with a verification link. Just click Verify Email and you're all set with your new Binance account. When you log into your account for the first time, you'll be asked if you want to set up two-factor authentication. This is a security feature that provides users with an extra form of password. When using 2FA or other two-factor authentication, you'll enter your password and a second code that can be sent to a mobile device by SMS or created by the Google Authenticator app. Now, before you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance, you'll need to complete a process called KYC or Know Your Customer. This is like verifying your identity, as Binance needs to know who you are for legal and security reasons. By completing the KYC process, you're helping to keep the Binance platform safe and reliable for everyone. Once this step is done, you'll be free to trade, deposit, and withdraw funds without any restrictions. Next, let's take a look at some types of cryptocurrency trading on Binance. The first one we'll be taking a look at is spot trading, and it is the most straightforward approach. Here, you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at their current market prices. This type of trading is great for beginners because it is easy to understand and does not require much specialized knowledge. Margin trading is another type of trading, and it takes things up a notch by letting you borrow funds from the exchange to trade larger amounts. While this can boost potential profits, it also heightens the risk of losses. Due to its complexity and high risk, margin trading isn't recommended for beginners. Futures trading, another type of trading, involves contracts to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a set price on a future date. It's often used for hedging or speculating on price movements. Like margin trading, futures trading can be quite complex and risky, making it less suitable for those new to trading. The last type of trading we'll be taking a look at is P2P or peer-to-peer trading. This type of trading offers a flexible approach with various payment options, but it can be more time-consuming and intricate. It's better suited for intermediate and advanced traders. Now that we've compared some types of trading on Binance, let's take a look at one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies on the platform, and that is Tether, which is commonly known as USDT. Tether, or USDT, is one of the most popular stablecoins out there, and was designed to maintain a one-to-one value with the US dollar. The currency, which exists on many different blockchains, has seen an increase in trading volumes and improved liquidity in recent years. USDT, like other stablecoins, is used in cryptocurrency trading by helping traders steer clear of the volatility often associated with BTC and other crypto assets. Additionally, using stablecoins like USDT eliminates the extra costs and delays of conversions between cryptocurrency and fiat currencies. Before we wrap up this video, I want us to take a quick look at a feature on Binance known as staking. Crypto staking is a way to make passive income on your assets without selling them. When you stake your coins, you're locking up your assets for a specific period, and in return, you receive staking rewards, which are often paid out in the same cryptocurrency you staked. It's important to note, though, that not all cryptocurrencies on Binance are available for staking, and while staking can be a great way to earn extra income, it comes with its own set of risks, such as the potential for asset depreciation during the period of staking. That brings us to the end of this video. But we have more videos on the way, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. In the meantime, you can check out our previous videos.